Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to discuss about manipulation and how you can use these 5 manipulation tactics to turn on any woman. Now, whether you like it or not, manipulation exists in your day-to-day life. It's happening every day. Either it's happening to you or you're doing it to someone else. Today, I want to talk about these 5 tactics that is going to help you get an unfair advantage over other men. So let's start with the first one, which is compliment showering. Now, you meet a girl, whether you go to a bar, whether you go to a restaurant, or you get a number through an online dating application, it does not matter. For the first few days, you need to shower the woman with compliments, but make sure that it's not too much that you appear needy. Now, what that's going to do to the woman is she's going to enjoy those emotions, she's going to feel good about herself, and she's going to feel good while talking to you. Now, since women are more emotional, she's going to get addicted to those positive emotions that you're going to make her feel. Now, what you need to do after showering her with compliments for the first 3 days is cut it out completely, and then she'll start to think, why is this guy not giving me any more compliments? Why is this guy shifting all of a sudden? And that question is going to make her obsess over you. Now, for the second tactic, it's about creating a V-frame. You create a frame where you and the girl are together. It can either be a positive V-frame or it can be a negative V-frame. Let me give you an example. Now, you can literally say something like, if you're ever together, this is never going to work out. We're so much alike. Now, this creates a V-frame, shows the girl that, oh my God, he feels that we're so much alike, but we can never be together. What is this guy thinking? Now, this is the combination of a positive as well as the negative, and it is going to show the girl that you're not that interested and you even are interested because she's so much alike. And that's going to make her obsess over you. Now, what the V-frame actually does is it helps her imagine herself being with you. And once she's imagining all of that, then she's obviously thinking about you, and that's a plus. Now, for the third tactic, it's called breadcrumbing. And breadcrumbing is a very simple tactic where you just invest so much into a girl that you keep her on a hook. You keep her on a hook till you get her out on a date. Now, what most guys do is they keep on texting her before the date, they keep on talking to her, they keep on trying to get her on a call, and what happens is the girl figures out everything about that particular person, and then she's like, I'm not really sure if I want to go out on a date with him because there's no mysterious element with this guy. So make sure, bro, you don't give in too much. You just keep her on the hook, give her only enough to keep her interested till the date. The objective of texting her is just to set the date. So by now you have showered her with compliments, she's feeling good about herself, she wants more compliments, but you're not giving her those compliments. You've already created a V-frame so she feels that she's with you, but she's not even with you. You've also done your breadcrumbing in the right way where her interest level is up, she's not losing interest, you're keeping her interest level intact before you meet her out on the date. Now, after you meet her out on the date, it's time to induce the fourth tactic, which is called competition anxiety. Now, competition anxiety is simple. It's about introducing a third person to make her jealous. But you have to be very careful when you're using this tactic because you cannot be overt about using this tactic. What I mean by being overt is telling her, hey, how many girls are texting me? Because that shows low value behavior. It shows that you're a guy who's trying to show off the amount of girls you have. But instead, use it very subtly. All you need to do is, maybe you're getting a call in front of her, you take up that call, you're like, maybe not right now. That's all you need to do. Once you do that, the girl is going to feel like, oh, who's the one who's calling him? I'm very curious about that. And she's going to overthink and get obsessed over you. Now, for the fifth tactic, it's called the MG method. Now, the MG method is derived from our ancestors, and this works like a charm. Now, what you need to do for this method to work is you need to take her home. Now, it can be the first date, it can be the second date, it can be the third date. It does not matter. The first time you take her home, you don't sexually escalate on her too much. Maybe you give her a little kiss, but that's about it. You tell her that you're a shy guy and you're not into casuals. Once you say that, a woman is going to think that, what is wrong with me? Is he like this? Or is it something with me? Is he not attracted to me? And once she starts overthinking about this, that is the time she's going to psychoactively fall in love with you. Now, if you want to learn more about dating and female psychology, I'm doing a masterclass. All you need to do is click the pinned comment, sign up for that masterclass, and I'll see you there.